राधे राधे दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। सेशन को शुरू करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हर एक लेटेस्ट अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे चलते हैं। विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ बेसिक फीचर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शन ए फंडामेंटल राइट्स, ऑप्शन बी इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी, ऑप्शन सी फेडरलिज्म, ऑप्शन सी the unquestioned right of the parliament to amend any part of the constitution. The correct answer is option D. Now question number 2. The fourth schedule to the Constitution of India deals with option A provision related to the administration of tribal areas, option B allocation of seats in the council states, option C the union list, the state list and the concurrent list, option D recognized language of the Union of India. The correct answer is option B allocation of seats in the Council of States. Now question number 3. The word secular was inserted into the Constitution of India by option A 44th Amendment Act, option B 52nd Amendment Act, option C 42nd Amendment Act, option D 34th Amendment Act. The correct answer is option C 42 Amendment Act. Now question number 4. According to the provision of the Constitution of India, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A to respect the national flag, option B to defend the country, option C to provide education to one's child, option D to promote village and cottage industries. The correct answer is option D to promote village and cottage industries. Now question number 5. Which one of the following is not enumerated in the Constitution of India as a fundamental duty of citizens of India? Option A to safeguard public property, option B to protect and improve the natural environment, option C to develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry, option D to promote international peace and security. The correct answer is option D. To promote an international peace and security is not enumerated in the Constitution of India as a fundamental duty of citizens of India. Now question number 6. Which one of the following was added as the fundamental duty through the Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002? Option A to strive toward excellence in individual and collective activity. Option B to provide opportunity for education to one's child between the age of 6 and 14 years. Option C to work for the welfare of women and children. Option D to promote peace and harmony. The correct answer is option B to provide opportunity for education to one's child between the age of 6 and 14 years was added in the 86th Amendment Act 2002. Now question number 7. Consider the following statement. The first point, forming a cooperative society is a fundamental right in India. Second, cooperative society do not fall within the ambit of Right to Information Act 2005. Which of the following statement about these are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C both 1 and 2. Now the next question, which of the following is not true of Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? Option A, it gives the Supreme Court and the High Court the power to issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Option B, it is included in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution and is therefore itself a fundamental right. Option C, Dr. Ambedkar called it the very soul of the Indian Constitution. Option D, an aggrieved person has no right to complain under Article 32 where a fundamental right has not been violated. The correct answer is option A. It gives the Supreme Court and the High Court the power to issue writ for the enforcement of fundamental right is not true for Article 32. Now question number 9. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court rule that constitutional amendments were also laws under Article 13 of the Constitution of India, which could be declared void for being inconsistent with fundamental rights? Option A. Keswanand Bharti case. Option B. Golaknath case. Option C. Minerva Mills case. Option D. Maneka Gandhi case. The correct answer is option B. Golaknath case. Now question number 10. The right to education was added to the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India through the option A. Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. Option B. Constitution 93rd Amendment Act 2005. Option C. Constitution 87th Amendment Act 2003. Option D. Constitution 97th Amendment Act 2011. The correct answer is option A. Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. Thanks for watching the video guys. Please subscribe to BYQ जर्नी. बहुत मेहनत लगती है. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर.